there is reluctance on the part of our taxi people to adopt change by totally going on the app, it will be my endeavor that ultimately every taxi that flies in Goa has to go on the app. Shortly I am introducing a policy where it would be much cheaper, less taxes, less charges to be paid to the government if they go on the app. This is something which is required for the transformation in transport that is necessary. If you look at the electrical buses which we have acquired, and in the process of acquiring even more, it is only because we want to reduce the pollution. We want to be first of having the maximum number of electrical buses. And GOANEWS Pathround taxi scheme which we had launched, we had simply launched it where an unemployed youth could consider running a taxi as his profession without being called a taxi driver.